Hey there CS2 players! Ever find these pings super helpful but a bit much when overused? Well, I've got your back. Today I'll walk you through how to manage those pings like a pro, toggling them on and off to keep your gaming experience top notch. Let's get started. First things first, fire up Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. Next up, locate the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then give it a click to access the settings. Now switch over to the Game tab. After that, navigate to the Communication section by clicking right here. Here, you'll spot the Player's Ping option. To disable it, simply click here and select Disabled. Voila! No more pings cluttering your screen. But hey, if you're all staying in the loop, just click here again. Choose Display and Play Sound, and you'll be all set to receive those pings. And that's how you manage player pings in CS2. Easy peasy. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.